Hey guys, Stop Motion Pilot here. I'm going to show you my WR120. I was trying to do another video. Let me turn it back on, the button beeps. Alright, we're going to do a test, see how long it does it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. I agree that was loud, but 1 minute and about 2 seconds after. 1 minute. I think that was pretty good. Of course, if you try to do it for full time, it's gonna turn off the button beeps. So let's turn that back on. Thanks for watching, and see ya.